Welcome to all. This is Logeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today we learn about operator and expressions in C. Okay. We are going to see operators. So what is meant by operators? Any symbols are called as the operators. So what are the symbols? Plus, minus, less than, greater than symbols. These are the operators. So all operators can do some specific task. For example, we can add the two values. What is the symbols we are used? So we are using plus. Okay. So that is the plus is also called the operators. So what is meant by operand? All variables will act upon the any operators. So that means that variable is called as the operand. Some of the operator act upon the single variable or multiple variable also. So next one, expression. So what is the expression? Any combination of operator and operands that called as the expressions. Okay, so one expression is there, y equal to a plus b. Okay, so in the statements, what are the operand is there? Y, a and b. Okay, so these are the operand. So what are the operator is there? Equal and plus. Okay, so these are the operators. What is the expression? The whole statement. It means y equal to a plus b. So these are the expression. Okay, next, unary operators. What is the unary operator? The operators act upon the single operand. So that is the unary operator. It can produce the new value also. So after that, so how to written as unary operators are written after their operand. Okay, so next, unary minus. Unary minus is the unary operators. So where you can write the any constant variables or expressions. It is also preceding by the minus sign. For example, minus 23 point. That is an example for the unary minus. Okay, we are going to see increment and decrement operator. The first we will see increment operators. The increment operator is plus plus. Okay, so what is the meaning that so increment operator, the value of variable by 1. Okay, it means incremented the value of variable by 1. Okay, so there are two types of increment operator is there, pre-increment, post increment. Okay, the first one we will see the pre-increment. What is the pre-increment? We will place the increment operator before the operand, that is a pre-increment. For example, plus plus a. Okay, the first we will incremented, so after that it can performed. Okay, so next one, post increment. So what is a post increment? If you can place the increment operator after the operand, first the post incremented value is assigned, after that it can performed. Z equal to a plus plus. That is an example for the post increment. Okay, so I'm following the program for increment operator. Okay, two program, pre-increment program, another one post-increment program. First we are going to see pre-increment program. So every program has the main function, and the same the pre-increment program also have the main function, and it have the two variables are declared, a equal to 10 and z. So a equal to 10 means the 10 values assigned to a. Okay, so what is the expression is there? Z equal to plus plus a. Okay, what is the meaning that plus plus a? So a equal to a plus 1. Okay, first incremented by the a value, incremented the a value, after that it can assign to z. Okay, so first one, a value is 11, so incremented by 1, so a value equal to 11, after it can assign to z. So next, print to z value, so z value equal to 11, after print to the a value, so a value also 11. Okay, so next one, post increment. The post increment program also have the main function, after that it can also two variables, so a equal to 10, z. So what is the expression here? Z equal to a plus plus. Okay, so it means the post increment work first assign the a value to the z, after that a value will be increased. Okay, so first a value equal to 10, so 10 is assigned to z, after that the a value will be increased. So printf of z equal to, what is that value we can get? So z equal to 10. Okay, so after that print the a value, we can get the answer is 11. Okay, the decrement operator? Decrease the value of variable by 1. So that is the decrement operator. There are two different decrement operator, post decrement and pre decrement. Okay, suppose the a value is 2. If the condition is result equal to a minus minus, it means the a value is first assigned, after that decremented by 1. Okay, so the result we can get the value as the z equal to 2. First we can assign the variable a2 z, so after that the value will be decreased a equal to 1. Okay, so next pre decrement. The pre decrement, so first if the value of a equal to 2, this z equal to pre decrement of a, so it means first decrement the a value, after that it can be assigned, so we can get the a value of z equal to 1, can get the a value equal to 1. Okay, next size of operator. The size of operators is used to find the size. Okay, so it means we can find the size of data. Okay, for example, you can give that size of integer, the integer size as 2, so we can get the value of 2. Okay, if we calculate the value of float of x, so what is the result we can get? 4, because the size of float value was 4, so we can get the value as 4. So logical operators, logical not operators means it can suppose the condition will be true, so we can get the value as false. So suppose the condition will be false, we can get the value as true. Operators, what is mean by binary operators? So operator act upon a binary variables. For example, a plus b, so a and b are the binary variables. Okay, so we can use that operator as plus. Okay, so the plus is your binary operators. Okay, so next one, arithmetic operators. What is the arithmetic operators? It can perform the any arithmetic operations, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and model operators. Okay, so next, arithmetic operation modes. There are three different kinds of mode there: integer mode, real mode, mixed mode. In this expression, both operands are integer, that is the integer mode. Real mode means where the both operands are real, it is the real mode. Mixed mode means in the expression has the one operand is integer, another operand is real, so that is called as the mixed mode. Okay, so next, relational operator. The relational operators is used to decision making. For example, it can return as only 0 or 1. Okay, so if the condition is true, it can return 1. Suppose if the condition is false, it return as 0. Relational operators is there: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Okay, so let's say example for the less than. If you get the value a for 2, b value is 3, so if the condition is checked a less than b, this condition is true because b is the bigger value of a, so that is written the value is true. Okay, of 1. Suppose another example is here, so less than or equal to, so a value equal to 2, b value equal to 2 is not biggest than a and b, so it is a and b are equal, so the condition is less than or equal, so this condition is true, it can return a value as 1. Okay, so equal to example is a value is 9, b value is 9, you compare to a equal to b. Okay, this condition is true, so it can return as 1. Okay, so if a value 8, b value equal to 9, so it can compare a equal to b. No, this both values are not equal, so the value is written as 0. Okay, because this condition will be false, it can return as 0. Okay, so not equals means a value equal to 0, b value equal to 9, so this value is true. Suppose the value is 9, b value is 9, so both values are same, this condition is false. Okay, so it can return as 0. Operators, along with the relational operators, there is output of logical operator as 0 or 1. It means they either true or false. Okay, logical operator as and or not. If your program having evaluated 2 or more conditions in your program, you have to use and or not. Both conditions are true, the result will be true in your and operators. Okay, so any one condition will be false, the result also false in the and. Suppose any one condition condition is true, the result will be true in OR operators. Okay, the both condition is true, the result will be true. Okay, in the logical operators, the condition is true, the result will be false. The condition is false, the result will be true. We are going to say assignment operators. The assignment operators means it is used to when the value is assigned to the identifiers. Okay, so execution of the assignment operators is right assigned to the left. Okay, next one, that is the old value is overridden to the new value. Okay, so next one, different assignment operator is there. So assignment, addition, assignment, subtraction with assignment, multiplication and assignment, division and assignment, remainder and assignment. Okay, one example is here, x equal to 2. Okay, so x equal to 2 means 2 is assigned to x. So next, bitwise operators. The bitwise operators are used to bit manipulations. Okay, so manipulate the individual bits. Different kinds of bitwise operator is there. Bitwise complement, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise shift left, bitwise shift right. Okay, so bitwise complement means you can give the value as 0 1 0 1 1. So what is the complement of bitwise operator? 0 as 1, 1 as 0, 0 as 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, so that is the complement. 0 means 1, 1 means 0. That is the complement value. Okay, ternary operators. So ternary operators is the decision making statement in a C. So the ternary operator symbol is question mark with colon. Okay, the ternary operators, another name is called as conditional operator. Okay, it is a syntax. What is the syntax for ternary operator? So condition, true expression, colon, false expression. This is example for the conditional operator. First, you should include the header files. After main function is there are two variables are declared in this program, x, y. Okay, so first printf statements. The printf statement just print the statement as enter the x. Okay, so next scanf condition, it can get the x value from the user. Okay, so next conditional operators is applied there. Y equal to, the condition is x less than 0. Okay, the true section is x square plus 4, the false section is x square minus 4. Okay, so suppose if you get the value of x equal to 1, so the print the value of x, the value the result is 1. Okay, so 1.0. Okay, next, this condition is check 1.0 less than 0. This condition is true because 1 is less than of 0, so the condition is true, is moved to the true section. The true section is the 1 square plus 4. So 1.0 plus 4, the value is 4. The result is 4. The 4 is stored to the y. So the output of y equal to 4. Okay. So after that, you can end of the statement, you should give the semicolon, then close the brace of main function. Thank you.